Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money like a magnet, while others struggle to make ends meet? It's a question that has puzzled many, and the answers might surprise you. Money. It's a word that stirs up a variety of feelings in people. For some, it's a source of stress and worry, a necessary evil that occupies too much of our thoughts. For others, it's a pathway to prosperity, a means to achieve dreams and secure a comfortable future. But what if I told you that money in itself is neither good nor evil? It's simply a tool, like a hammer or a paintbrush, that can be used to create or destroy, depending on the hands that wield it. Let's consider the story of a self-made millionaire, Jane. Jane was born into a humble family, with parents who worked multiple jobs to provide for their children. Despite their hard work, money was always tight. But Jane observed something interesting. While money was scarce, the scarcity didn't come from a lack of effort or desire to succeed. Rather, it was a result of a mindset that viewed money as a necessary evil, something to be feared and avoided. Jane decided to view money differently. She saw it as a tool, a means to an end, not an end in itself. She realized that money could provide her with the resources she needed to achieve her dreams, to create a better life for herself and her family. With this mindset, Jane worked tirelessly to build a business from the ground up. Today, she is a millionaire, not because she was born into wealth or won the lottery, but because she understood the true nature of money. So, here's a thought for you to ponder. What is your perspective on money? Do you see it as a necessary evil, something to be feared and avoided? Or do you view it as a tool, a means to an end, a pathway to prosperity? Remember, money isn't evil, it's just a tool. It's all about how you use it. But how do you attract money? How do you use it wisely to create lasting wealth? The answer, my friends, lies in the mindset of the wealthy. And it's not just about thinking big, it's about thinking smart. Imagine a young woman named Sarah. Sarah, once a humble cashier, had a burning desire to do more, to be more. She wanted to change her life, but she knew she needed to invest in herself first. So she saved up every penny she could, sacrificing immediate pleasures for a more rewarding future. She joined a night school, honing her skills and expanding her knowledge base. The journey wasn't easy. There were nights when she questioned her decisions, when the allure of immediate gratification tugged at her resolve. But she was armed with a growth mindset. She understood that her current struggles were merely stepping stones to her future success. She knew that the seeds of wealth she was planting would only bear fruit if she nurtured them with patience and unwavering belief in her potential. Fast forward a few years. Sarah, now a successful entrepreneur, is reaping the rewards of her sacrifices. She has created a business that not only brings her financial prosperity, but also fuels her passion. More importantly, she has tapped into the power of passive income, allowing her wealth to grow even while she sleeps. Sarah's story is not unique. It is the story of countless millionaires who have understood the secret to wealth creation. It's not about chasing money. It's about creating value, about investing in oneself, and about adopting a growth mindset that sees challenges as opportunities. It's understanding that money is not the end goal, but a tool that can help you achieve your dreams. Remember, wealth is not an accident. It's a result of deliberate actions, wise decisions, and a mindset that embraces growth. So, I invite you to ask yourself, are you ready to invest in yourself? Are you ready to adopt the mindset of the wealthy? Invest in yourself, believe in your potential, and watch the money follow. So you've got the mindset, but what about the habits? There's a saying that goes, we first make our habits, and then our habits make us. This couldn't be truer when it comes to cultivating financial success. Let's delve into a few key habits that breed wealth. First off, there's the principle of living below one's means. Picture this. A young woman named Sharon, fresh out of college, lands her first job. Instead of splurging her entire salary on a luxury apartment and the latest gadgets, she opts for a modest lifestyle. She rents a simple place, cooks her meals at home, and saves diligently. Living below her means allows Sharon to save a significant chunk of her income. It's not about being stingy, it's about being smart. Next, we have the habit of avoiding unnecessary debt. Take Tom, a middle-aged man with a decent job. He loves his credit cards and often splurges on things he doesn't really need. Over time, the interest on his debt piles up, leaving him financially strained. Had Tom been more mindful of his spending habits, he could have avoided this financial stress. Finally, there's the habit of consistently saving and investing. Let's circle back to Sharon. She didn't just save her money, she made it work for her. She started by setting aside a small amount each month. As her income grew, so did her savings. Sharon then invested her savings into diverse portfolios. Over time, her investments grew, and before she knew it, she was financially independent. Sharon's story underscores the power of these habits. You see, it's not about how much money you make, but how well you manage what you got. Live below your means, avoid unnecessary debt, and consistently save and invest. These are not just habits, they're stepping stones to a financially secure future. Habits, not amounts, make the millionaire. So, ask yourself, what habits are you forming today? And remember, the journey to financial success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Keep going, and you'll reap the rewards in due time. So, are you ready to start your journey to lasting wealth? You see, your wealth journey isn't a one-size-fits-all path. It's as unique as you are. It's shaped by your dreams, your goals, your values, and your circumstances. There's no magic formula to wealth. It's not about being the richest person in the room, but about achieving financial freedom, about having enough to live comfortably, and about having the means to provide for those you care about. It's essential to remember that it's never too late to start. You might be fresh out of college, grappling with student loans, or you might be in your middle age, wondering if it's too late to start saving for retirement. Regardless of where you're starting from, the most important thing is to start. Educating yourself about finances is a great first step. Learn about budgeting, about investing, about how to save effectively. But don't just stop at learning, apply what you learn. Start to save, even if it's just a small amount every month. Start to budget, even if it's just noting down your expenses in a notebook. Start to invest, even if it's just in a small, low-risk fund. And remember, your mindset about money is as important, if not more so, than your actions. Do you view money as a necessary evil or as a tool to help you achieve your dreams? Do you see wealth as something attainable or as something reserved for a select few? Changing your mindset about money can be a powerful catalyst for change. It can motivate you to take action, to make wise financial decisions, and to persevere even when the journey gets tough. So, what's your first step going to be? Are you going to start educating yourself about finances? Are you going to start saving? Or perhaps change your mindset about money? What's one thing you can do today to start your journey to lasting wealth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on money and success. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.